You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word that is confusing, the name of this cat breed. This is French. If you want to learn more cat breed names that confuse a lot of people, stay tuned. I'll link to more videos for you where you're going to learn a ton. In French, the French pronunciation, the original one, Chartreux. Alright, I know it's difficult, but let's go through and explain. Char, alright, CH is pronounced more like SH, not ch, but sh, okay? Chartreux, and then you have this very French sound, and the X is silent, okay? Chartreux. Now, if you cannot pronounce French, and I would understand, in English you can say Chartreux. Chartreux, just use a schwa sound and a sound, as in unbelievable, you know, the beginning of unbelievable. All right, Chartreux, Chartreux cat, cat breed name, how to pronounce in English, pronunciation, Chartreux, from French, Chartreux. Did you get this? Are you able to pronounce it correctly? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.